Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore how to find the difference between two arrays after applying a function to the elements. This technique can be incredibly useful when working with complex data structures or when filtering values based on a specific criteria. The problem is to compare two arrays based on a function applied to the elements and return only those elements in the first array that don't have a match in the second array. This involves creating a set for efficient comparison and filtering the first array accordingly. This code starts by creating a set from the second array after applying the function to its elements. It then filters the first array, including only elements that, when transformed by the same function, are not present in the set. The process involves transforming array B and storing the result in a set. Then, for each element in array A, we check if its transformed value exists in the set. If not, we include it in the output array. In the first example, we use method.flow to round down values. The element 2.1 matches a value in the second array when rounded, so it is excluded. The element 1.2 remains. In the second example, we compare objects based on the x property. This approach is versatile and can be used in scenarios like filtering redundant data, comparing objects, or implementing dynamic filtering logic for different requirements. In summary, this technique provides an efficient way to compare and filter arrays based on custom logic, making it highly applicable for data-driven applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.